Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. I am in full-blown glam. I got my pearl earrings on, I got my cute little flower shirt, I have my hair done. Like, I am full-blown, like, glam right now. I haven't seen myself with this much makeup in a few months, because even in my day-to-day life, I don't wear this much makeup. Like, this is like full-blown, like, I'm going out tonight type thing. So I did actually film a makeup tutorial before filming this video, so that is why I look all glammed up. But yeah, so I am here today with another haul. I feel like I just did a haul like a week ago. I don't feel like I know that I did a haul like a week ago. So today I do have some more stuff to share with you guys. I have stuff from Sephora, Ulta, and a few little things from Amazon that I got that I want to share with you guys. So yeah, so you guys are interested in seeing what I've picked up during quarantine. Again, I feel like all I do is shop online. But yeah, so if you guys are interested to see what else I've picked up, then give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and then let's jump into the video. I don't think I have too much stuff, but every time I say that, I feel like I'm sitting here for like 40 minutes like showing you guys things that I got. So I'm just going to not go in any particular order. I'm just going to pull out what's in the box and share with you guys. So the first thing that I got is this brand. I think this is brand new. I'm like pretty sure this is brand new. This is from NARS. They just launched like a few new bronzers, I'm pretty sure. And this is the Mini Laguna Lip and Cheek Duo. This is what it looks like. Super, super cute. It is a lip gloss, which is what I'm wearing on my lips right now, and a bronzer. This is what the bronzer looks like. Super cute. The packaging is super adorable. I feel like NARS always has like that super cute packaging. So yeah, so I did pick this up. It is the bronzer that I'm wearing on my face right now. You guys will see in the makeup video that I post after this video how that went. But anyways, so the next thing that I got is from Sephora also. This is their firming day cream. So if you guys have been watching my videos, you guys know that I love their firming nighttime cream. Like, I really feel like it really hydrates my face and makes my skin look nice and plumped. And listen, if I can use a firming cream that's not $70, then I'm with it. And you guys know that the Sephora line at Sephora is now clean. So I did pick this one up today. Not today. I did pick this one up when I ordered all this stuff. I have used it for the past 2 days. It's not bad. Like, it's not like a heavy moisturizer. It definitely absorbs into your skin super, super quick. I don't see any illuminating when I do put it on. Like, I was hoping for it to be like the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream, where it gives me a little bit of like dew, but it really doesn't do anything. It'll kind of sit on my skin and then it'll absorb really quickly, and like that's really it. It doesn't like linger on your skin. And sometimes I like for a moisturizer to linger a little bit because I feel like it's doing something, but this is really lightweight and really absorbs quickly into your skin. So it is good for underneath makeup. Like, I put it underneath my makeup today. I didn't have any issues, but I do wish it was a little more hydrating, but I do still have to play around with this. Alright, so the next thing that I picked up is from Bare Minerals. I actually got this at Ulta. This is their Gen Nude Patent Lip Color in the shade Gas. It's literally spelled Y-A-A-A-S. So yes, but I picked this up online because it was it looked like such a beautiful, beautiful, like brown, like almost gray nude. And if you guys know me and have been following me for a while, you guys know I'm always on the hunt for a good nude lip. I'm always like looking at, like, I'm just so drawn into gray nudes. Like, it's just my thing. And this really looks like a pinky kind of nude. On camera it actually looks a little like deeper brown, but in person it's more of like a pink brown. It's not bad. I did try it before, but it's not like my favorite. I definitely have to play around with it a little bit more because I did put it over like a deeper lip liner, so I have to play with it a little bit more. But it is a really thick formula. That's probably why it's called a lacquer, because it has that thicker consistency, so it'll be really like opaque and pigmented. So I do have to play around with this a little bit more. So up next is something from Sephora. This is from the brand Amika. This is their Brooklyn Bombshell Blowout Spray. If you guys have watched my last few videos, you guys know that I have been loving their dry shampoo, and I recently just picked up their hydrating hair mask, like their deep conditioning mask, and I actually have been enjoying it. I've used it around 2 times already, and I have been pretty much liking it, so I was really excited to test this out. It did have mixed reviews. Some people said it made their hair more tangly, some people said it gave them the best blowout and it made their hair look great. So there were some mixed reviews. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm super intrigued. My hair keeps getting in my face, but I'm super intrigued to try this out because some of the reviews that were good were really good, and then the reviews that were bad were really bad. There was really like not a lot of in-between ones, so I'm curious to see how this makes my hair look, if it weighs my hair down, if it really makes me look like I have a bombshell blowout. We will see, but I'm super duper excited about that. Up next is a lipstick from Ulta. This is actually from their Ulta beauty line, so I have been on the hunt, for a good, just a good nude lip. Like you guys know I love that Sephora one. That is literally like my everyday lipstick. I wear it all the time. It goes with every single one of my looks. It's just, to me, it's foolproof, especially for what I go for. I love that lipstick, but I kind of wanted to like switch it up. I wanted more pinkies, I wanted more browns, I wanted different ones. So I picked this one up from the Ulta beauty line. This is in the shade Princess Pink, and online it looks like the perfect baby pink, like nude. You know, like that really pretty, like just baby pink pale nude. It looked like that, and when I got it in person, it looks more like a hot pink lipstick. Like, let me show you guys. It swatches nice, but I feel like it might be that color pink that, you know, sometimes like those pinks that you get that make your teeth look yellow. I think this might be one of them, but I don't know. I really have to test it out over a lip liner and stuff to see, but I was a little disappointed because I feel like when you look at something online and it looks a certain way, whenever you get it in person, it never ever looks the way it does online, whether it's foundation, whether it's bronzer, whether it's highlight, whether it's anything. It never really looks the same way it looks online. Like, it always looks different. I have that issue with Kim Kardashian, with KKW Beauty. I have that issue with Kylie. I have that issue with Sephora. I have that issue with pretty much every like makeup site. So if anybody's watching that designs these sites and takes these pictures, you need to do better, because every time I order something, it is never ever what I hope it would be. But anyways, moving on. The next thing that I picked up is also from Ulta. This is their Soft Cool Intensive Foot Mask. I don't know if you guys have been looking for foot masks, but pretty much on every single website they're sold out, because obviously we're all in quarantine and none of us can get pedicures, so our feet are becoming gross, so we need foot masks. So I did pick this one up. I'm super excited to try it because my feet are super dry. So I cannot wait to try this and like smooth out my feet and cut my toenails and like kind of give myself like an at-home pedicure. So I'm super excited about this. I got this from Ulta. And to go along with my foot mask, I did pick up a nail polish from OPI. This is from their Hello Kitty line, and this actually looked like how it did online. So good job, OPI. But this is a beautiful like baby pinky color, and I'm super excited to paint my toenails and just to have this. And once my acrylics fully fall off, you know how like when you take your acrylics off, your nails are like really weak and they kind of have like the glue still all over them? That's kind of what I'm going through right now. So I'm going to give my nails a break, let the acrylics fall off, let them kind of grow, and then I'm going to paint my nails. So I'm really happy with this color. I did try it on one of my acrylics that like the paint fell off, and it looked like a really pretty pink. So super excited about that. Then from Sephora, I did pick up a lip balm. This is from the brand Smith's. This is their menthol and eucalyptus balm. I used to be obsessed with this company, and then I stopped using them, and then recently I was on Sephora's website and they have the little clean by Sephora stamp, so I was like, yes, this is like $7. And even though it isn't like a super thick lip balm, it is a really nice, just comfortable lip balm. It does wear kind of quickly, so it will like absorb into your lips really quick, but I don't mind that. I really like it. It's good to throw in your bag, it's good to have on your nightstand. It's awesome, so I'm super happy that they're clean now, you know. This last thing I didn't actually purchase. I got it as like a free trial type thing. You know when you, oh my god, my hair is like all over the place. You know when you, like Sephora's like, oh, spend $25 and get a luxe size sample of Tarte or Tatcha or La Mer or anything like that. So this time it was La Mer. You actually got to pick a La Mer cream, and I was so excited because La Mer is like known for being like super just like luxe and just good. So this is what it, like the size of it, which is like a pretty decent size if you ask me. Like I think that's a decent size. So I haven't tried it yet, but I am super excited to test it out and to see like if it works, if it's nice, if it's worth the hype. Like Super excited, and I'm even more excited that I got it for free. It's so cool. So that is everything that I picked up from Sephora, from Ulta. There's really no more makeup related items in this. I do have a few things from Amazon that I did want to share with you guys because I have been loving them. So the first thing, I did mention in my current beauty favorites video that the Ben Nye powder, the packaging just sucks. So I did order some like little empty powder compacts, and they actually came. So this is what they look like. It came with two. I didn't know that it came with two. I thought I only ordered one, but the package came with two, and it was only $7, which is awesome. So this is what it looks like, just like your standard powder compact, nothing crazy. And it really does hold the powder nicely. Like I used it today when I did my makeup, and I had no issues getting the powder. It wasn't really messy. It wasn't anything like annoying. So super cool. Thumbs up for this because $7, like, you cannot go wrong with this. So I'm super excited about that. The next thing that I got from Amazon is totally because I just watched Kathleen Light's new video about her current beauty favorites, and she spoke about these. This is their hair scalp massage shampoo brush. This is what it looks like. Mine came with two, and I only paid like $7 for them, which was awesome. So I have one in my shower because I already used it because I was so excited to try it out. But let me show you guys what it looks like. So it looks like this. It's just a regular like scalp massager, but it's so cool because it really just, like when I was washing my hair was so just lathered. Like the shampoo was like 3 inches off my head because of how lathered it was. It really just got in there and really just massaged everything around, and it felt really, really nice. And it just, I don't know, I have like no complaints about it. I thought it was awesome. And supposedly with these, they promote like blood flow, which opens like your hair follicles, which makes your hair grow. And you guys know I am on like a mission to get my hair like super, super long. So I am trying anything at this point, but I didn't purchase it for that. I purchased it because I thought it would be really cool. So yeah, I have been enjoying this. The last thing that I picked up from Amazon is probably one of my favorite things. I have been putting off buying this. I don't know why, I've just been putting it off, and then I finally decided to buy it. It's just a basic marble tray, but it's so nice. And I purchased this because I wanted something for my nightstand because all of my furniture is this. So all my furniture is black. So I love having like something like white on it. I just feel like it makes like a really nice accent and just looks really, really nice. So I've been obsessing over marble lately, especially like on my black furniture. So super excited over this. I think it looks so cute on my nightstand because I have the matching nightstand to this dresser, and I just think it looks so good. It adds like the perfect finish to it. It's perfect for holding my phone, holding like any clips or like lip balms or anything like that. So this is probably like my favorite purchase just because I love how it looks on my nightstand. And this was only like $16, and it feels like not super heavy, but it definitely doesn't feel cheap. Like it just feels super nice, and I'm loving it. Guys, so that is everything that I picked up from Sephora, from Ulta, from Amazon. It wasn't that much stuff, but it definitely was enough for me to sit down and share with you guys. But yeah, so that is everything that I got. That is all I have for you guys in this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. I know I have like a sickness because I keep just ordering stuff online. And by the way, this came in my Sephora box. The VIB sale is starting Friday the 17th, so I'm super excited. So it starts on the 17th for Rouge, on the 21st for VIB, and then on the 23rd for Insider. So you get 20 if you're Rouge, 15 if you're VIB, and then you get 10% off if you are an Insider. Listen, I'll take anything. Any discount at Sephora is something because literally, you know, their stuff is like never on sale. So the 2 times a year they have their sale, I'm like, yes. But anyway, so yeah, that is all I have for you guys in this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. And let me know down below if you guys are buying just as much stuff as I am, because I feel like all I'm doing is just tracking packages. Like that's literally all I'm doing. But yeah, so that is all I have for you guys in this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Bye!